How to customize email using WooCommerce. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize emails using WooCommerce and what is the way that you can create email marketing. You can create your email marketing campaign using WooCommerce and how you can customize those emails. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to open your WooCommerce website. So I'm hosting my WooCommerce on my WordPress, and here you can see this is my WooCommerce, and these are all the home orders, product fields. This is the menu of my WooCommerce. I haven't created a whole a good looking website right now. I have my old store details. I have added my products. I haven't added my setup payments, add taxes and everything. So this is basically giving me this option to get started and to basically integrate all of these things. I can preview my store from right here, and I can see the display options from right here. Okay, so what it might be different for you when you open your WooCommerce, because it all depends upon where you are right now and what you are doing with your store. So after you come onto WooCommerce, what you need to do is you need to add a plugin, because it is not very common. So WooCommerce is a really good website builder, and you can create some amazing websites through WooCommerce, but the email templates are not very good at WooCommerce. So for that purpose, you need to add for yourself a plugin into WooCommerce that will allow you to create amazing emails and which will give you amazing email templates and everything. So right here you can see this is my main website on WooCommerce, and right now it is not very anything. I haven't added anything, or it is not even styled or everything, but you can just start with that, and you can go on and create anything that you want from WooCommerce. So I'm just going to go on, and I'm going to add my plugin which I want, which is MailChimp, to add customizable email templates onto my WooCommerce. For that, you need to scroll down and you need to find this option right here which says plugins, and you need to click on that. Okay, so now you need to click on this option which says add new, and you need to add a new plugin for yourself, which is MailChimp. I'm just going to go on and do that really quickly. Here you need to search for your plugin. I want to add MailChimp, so I'm going to search MailChimp, and now here you see this is the plugin that you are looking for. This is MailChimp list subscribe form. You don't want to add that, but you are looking for this one which says MailChimp for WooCommerce. You need to click on this and you need to install this. I already have this, so that's why it is installed and it is already active, so that's why it is not giving me any option. But you need to do that for yourself, and you need to open this plugin. Then you need to go on and see this plugin right here. You need to find this plugin from your plugin forms, and as you can see, it is already integrated into my WooCommerce, which is right here, which is MailChimp. So I'm just going to click on that. Okay, so this will take you to mailchimp.com, and here you can basically log in. I have already logged in, and now you can create your own email campaign. So let's see right here. Here I have an option of email templates. Just click on that and you can create a template for yourself for your email. Okay, so here you have your email templates. You need to create a template for yourself. I'm just going to click on this option to create a template. So here you can see what are you trying to tell to your customers. Are you going to sell products, make an announcement, tell a story, follow up, educate? You can choose these kind of templates, or you can go on and choose basic templates from this options right here. You have your text and columns. You can see this is column full width, column full width, and you can see these are all the available templates for you. You can just also go on and you can go on to your themes, and you can select a theme to start with. So themes are more workable because you get an idea of where everything is going to be and how you can actually make your whole email template and how you can design it. It gives you a whole look of what's your email gonna look like. So you can just go on and pick a template for yourself. For example, this template right here, it's named Boutique, and I'm just going to click and open this up, and I'm going to change it to and customize it to my own email, and then I can get going with this specific email for myself. I can customize it to look it like my own, and you can just do that as well. You can choose any template that you want, and you can customize it. You can add your own details, you can add your own images, and you can also move around a couple of things so that it doesn't follow the same specific pattern, but you can also make it look really good from an already good looking template. So that's why I'm just using this. So this right here, this is the first thing that you need to change. This is a logo worn clothing. You need to change it because obviously this is not the name of my website. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to edit this block, and you see this option right here. This is instantly create beautiful or brand designs you can use across marketing channels. So you can replace this logo, you can edit it, link it, or you can just delete it. So I'm just going to simply go on and delete this logo, because obviously this is written, a warn is written right here, and I am not looking for warn. So what you need to do is you need to add a specific text right here. So you can just go on and click on this option which says text, and you can just place it right here. into your header. So now what's your text going to be like? You can just click on this option which allows you to edit that text. And now I'm going to add my text, which is, let's say my store name is Warehouse. Okay, so now I need to basically go on and change the styles and fonts of that. So the style is TOC heading. You can see it's much bigger. The font I'm going to basically change to, let's say I want something pretty, so I'm just going to change it to Playfair Display just for the sake of it. And now I'm going to change the size to make it at least 59. And now you can also change background color. You can also change the text color. I'm just going to change the text color to, let's say, this. Okay, so this is pink and you can see this is written Warehouse. You can also change the background color if you want to. Like I want it to be light pink and the background color will be changed. It will basically create the whole background for that specific thing. Okay, so like this. So you can add background color like this, but I'm not going to do that because it doesn't look good. You can add black and you can also make it look white like this. You can basically do that. And this, for example, you can do anything that you want. You can also content studio, you can add different contents into it. You can make bullets and everything. So this is basically all the styling options for text. You can just go on and do that text style and color styles, align. You have a line height and everything, so you can change that as well. So after you are done with that, you can just click on the save and close. Now what you need to do is you are going to basically change this project pink image. So I'm just going to go on and I'm going to edit, or I'm going to replace it. And for replacement you need to add another image. So I don't have any files uploaded right now, so I'm just going to click on this upload and I'm going to upload different files. So I have added the image for myself, which is completely different. So this is my image and the project pink is like that. Now you need to see this is the button. Like if you can add different buttons as well. If you go on to content right here, this is where an option where you can add button. Like you can just drag it and you can drop this button right here, and you can say that button to say everything. Like I'm going to ask it to say buy now, and you can link it to your web address. You can link it to your store, and whenever a person clicks on that button, and they will be redirected to your store and they will be able to buy it. Then now you have your footer. Here you can add your copyright and everything, your mailing address and everything. And you can, what else you can add is basically you can add your social. In your social you can add your social media links. Okay, so you can add your Facebook, your Twitter, or any social media that you have linked right here. If you have any other service, like for example if you want to add your Instagram link, you can just click on that and you can add your Instagram, your email address. If it's not email, go on and you can see this is a Dribbble, Flickr, email, website, and you can just find what you're looking for. You can add your Instagram and you're good to go. You can add your link text, and this is it. And whenever a person clicks on that button, they will be redirected to those social media accounts. So after you have done everything, after you have created your email, you can just go on and you can save and exit. You can just do that, and then you will be able to name your template. I'm going to name it Warehouse. Okay, save. And this is my email template. Now I can create an email campaign. The campaign is where basically I will be able to send my email to different people. What it will do is basically add recipients, and then I will be able to send my email to those recipients, and it will be sent to those whenever I want, and I can schedule it as well. So this is how you can basically customize your email on your Woocommerce, and this is basically how you can add your email campaign to your Woocommerce. This was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any queries, just comment it down in the comment section below and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.